it with you? Let me help you with that. It's pretty heavy. Okay, good. Is that your pen?
네, 가지고.
Do you want to take it with you? I'll grab that pen. You know what I like? The writing is beautiful. The thickness. Oh, it's nice. You know,
It's
the
easier to
ball.
sign with your pen.
I don't like the ballpoints. You know. And,
포인트 별로 안 좋아하시 볼 때.
this is made by in your country. Oh yeah.
대통령께서 하시는 그 아주 어려운 사인에 이용할 겁니다.
I'll use it because for me, I like that kind of writing. I like that.
영광이지.
I don't like a ballpoint. Right? I won't use it, but I'm going to keep it because I don't want to use it. I want to have it as an honor and keep it in a very important. And I have gifts for you. Before we leave, we have to remember. And I have some great gifts for you and your people. We always have to remember there are a lot of times and then people will rush out and I say, oh, I forgot to give them the gifts.